This is the muffle furnace, and we have to set here temperature 500 degrees Celsius for 3 hours, but there is a time required to set 500 degrees Celsius is 1.35 hour, because we have to set 5 degrees Celsius per minute temperature. We set here in segment first 500 degrees Celsius, and the time is 1.35 minutes, that is 1 hour and 35 minutes. Then after, in segment second, 500 degrees Celsius temperature is constant for 3 hours. Segment out, in segment 3, that is the decreasing temperature up to 30 degrees Celsius in 1.35 hours. That is, 3 segments are used in here. First is increasing, second is constant, and third is decreasing. Now we have to run, that is press last key, and the program is running. Heater is on, and this is the safety controller, that is 770 degrees Celsius is the maximum temperature we have to set here, and the program is running.